Is Chrome acting weird? Running slow, freezing up, or showing strange errors? Before you panic, there's one simple fix most people forget updating Chrome. Let me show you how to do it in under 60 seconds. Hey everyone! Today I'm walking you through the easiest way to update Google Chrome on both Windows and Mac. This takes literally 2 minutes, and it could solve a bunch of problems you've been dealing with. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome if it's not already running. Now, look at the top right corner, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those. This opens what's called the Chrome menu, where all the important settings live. From this menu, scroll down and click on Settings. It's usually near the bottom of the list. You'll now see Chrome's settings page open up. Don't worry, we're almost there. On the left side, look at the very bottom of that sidebar. You'll see About Chrome, click that. And here's the cool part, the moment you click About Chrome, Chrome automatically starts checking for updates. You don't have to do anything else. Chrome downloads and installs the update in the background, so you can keep working while this happens. Once it's done, you'll see a button that says Relaunch. Click that to restart Chrome with the new version. Don't worry, Chrome will reopen all your tabs exactly where you left them. After Chrome restarts, head back to that same About Chrome page if you want to confirm. You should see Chrome is up to date with your version number displayed. And that's it. Your browser now has all the latest security patches, bug fixes, and new features. Quick pro tip: Chrome usually updates automatically in the background, but if you haven't closed your browser in a while, those updates won't install. That's why it's good to manually check every couple weeks. Another tip: if you see a green, orange, or red circle next to those 3 dots at the top, that's Chrome telling you an update is waiting. Green means it's been a couple days, orange means a week, and red means it's been over a week since an update was available. If Chrome says it can't update, here are 2 quick fixes. 1. Make sure Chrome isn't being blocked by your antivirus or firewall. 2. Try closing Chrome completely, including any background processes, then reopen it and try again. If you're on a work or school computer, your IT department might control updates, so you may need to reach out to them. And there you have it, that's how you update Chrome in less than 2 minutes. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.